Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix iDrive on BMW. First, let's start with the simplest solution, a soft reset. This can often resolve many common iDrive issues. To do this, simply press and hold the volume button on your iDrive controller for approximately 30 seconds. Your screen should go blank and then restart, which can clear up minor software glitches and get your system back on track quickly. If a soft reset doesn't work, consider a more thorough approach. You can perform a hard reset by disconnecting your car's battery for about 15 minutes, then reconnecting it. Also, visually inspect the cable connections to your iDrive unit in the trunk or under the dashboard to ensure they are secure. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. Keeping your BMW's software updated is also crucial for optimal performance. When basic resets and checks don't resolve the problem, the issue might be hardware-related. Components like the iDrive controller, the main head unit, or even the display screen itself can fail. Diagnosing these requires specific tools and expertise. If you suspect a hardware problem, it's best to consult a certified BMW technician. They have the specialized diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact issue and recommend the correct repair. To minimize future iDrive problems, proactive maintenance is key. Always ensure your BMW software is kept current, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Be cautious with aftermarket modifications, as they can sometimes interfere with the iDrive system's functionality. Addressing any minor glitches or unusual behavior promptly can prevent them from developing into more significant and costly repairs down the line.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.